I've spent 25 years as a CTO. I watched developers fix million-dollar failures at 2 a.m. and get paid like it was just another bug ticket. Meanwhile, the company pulled in millions from the same work. That disconnect, that's the lesson most developers never figure out. Because I already paid the price, so you don't need to. Developers believe the way out is frameworks or begging for promotions. Reality, they stay invisible in strategy. Overwork, capped at salary. I watch developers become permanent fixers. 2 a.m. calls. Endless tickets. Their managers moved up. They stayed stuck, solving revenue problems. No influence. One thing became obvious. Developers were fixing failures that cost millions, paid like it was just another bug. The business kept growing. Their salary didn't. Every bug fix was free market research. Every broken system exposed a gap. They weren't debugging code. They were debugging businesses without realizing it. Sharp developers started small, 2 hours a night, building the exact tools they kept patching at work. Those projects became their first wins outside of salary life. Pillar 1. Every bug solved teaches what customers actually value. Most throw that knowledge away. The ones who turn it into products, they win. Pillar 2. Every hack, every 3 a.m. hotfix, that's a pain point someone will pay to avoid. The developers who package those solutions, they stop fixing them for free. Pillar 3. Developers know the broken processes. They've seen which tools flop, which tools stick. That's an unfair advantage. Outsiders can only guess. The developers who escape stop thinking like employees. They start thinking like owners. Debugging isn't maintenance. It's problem identification at scale. That's craft and context. Sharpening your lens. Tying it to business outcomes. I've seen developers take this path. Within months, some earn on the side. Within years, some replace their salary. The only difference? They stop giving their best ideas away for free. The secret isn't new skills. It's monetizing the ones you already have. The ones you've been giving your employer for cheap. If you're stuck in firefighter mode, I built a free mini mentorship called Developer to Entrepreneur. Sign up for the newsletter. That's where it's going to happen. It's the same 3-step process I've seen work for developers who escape that trap. Links in the description. Take the first step out of developer prison.